could not turn these down for $9. I'm probably gonna get these though in a bigger size because the pants like it's kind of short. Like you see, like my whole ankle's out, and that's not the vibe that I'm going for. Like I feel like, oh yeah, it's a no. But I like it, and then this right here is gonna give me a reason to wear a red lip again. I'll probably wear this in Atlanta on a date, like a casual date with like a big teddy coat, like a long teddy coat, and my new Adidas sneakers, and be a fly girl. I think this is all I got. I did also get another anklet from Macy's, a silver one, because I have a gold one. And I just wanted a silver one, like a sterling silver that I know won't change because I never take these off in the shower. I used to buy the costume jewelry ones, but girl, they only like $30-something at Macy's for sterling silver and gold plated anklets. And you can buy the pack. That's just, you don't have to keep throwing away every 20 minutes. So that's what I did. I did not take y'all in the mall with me. Just because like I wasn't feeling it, and like the whole parking situation had me kind of flustered. So now I'm about to film the second half of this reel, the second reel. I'm gonna take this lipstick off, change the lipstick, probably put on some other kind of eyeshadow, and then kind of clean up, because now I need to clean up because I've made a mess. Then film the second part of the reel. I'm probably going to put this pink dress on that I just bought for the second part. I really wanted to wear red, but I can wear pink because I just posted a pink picture. And yeah, let's get to it so we can go to sleep. It's like 5:30, 6 o'clock now. So I want to kind of have everything done by at least 7 o'clock, and then I can spend like from 7 to 9 editing and uploading all this footage. And yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay, so this is going to serve as like a New Year's look. I'm probably going to put on hoop earrings, and then I'm going to put on that pink dress and fix this clip over here because I don't know what he's doing. And we're gonna get into the look. This is gonna be so quick. I love it here. That one, and then because it's not coming up as clear as I wanted to, so we might have to revamp, but I'm gonna try to edit it now to see if I can use it. This powder's everywhere. If I can use it or not use it. We'll see. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. I know I'm giving she doesn't even go here, but
Don't even go here.
I am going to, I'm on my way to get a flu shot. I have to get a flu shot for work. I don't know, it's mandatory.
In half a mile, turn left.
And so I'm heading to get a flu shot. I'm also, the outfits that I showed you guys, one of the pants, the sweatpants, I want to go and exchange them out for a bigger size. Hello?
Hi, this is the pharmacist calling from CVS trying to get in touch with.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I'm calling about a flu shot appointment that you tried to make online.
I didn't know I tried to make it. I thought I actually made it.
Oh no, you made it, but we were just calling. Are you military? Do you have TRICARE?
Yes, I have TRICARE.
Oh yeah, we were just giving a courtesy call to let you know that CVS doesn't take TRICARE. We lost our TRICARE contract about 3 years ago, so you would have to pay out of pocket. But Walgreens and Walmart do take TRICARE.
Okay. Thank you so much for that.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye. So I guess we're about to call Walgreens and figure out if I can go get a flu shot today at Walgreens. So I'm gonna pull over and do that because
In half
now
a
I
mile,
don't know
turn right.
where I'm going. And yeah, I'm gonna call Walgreens and see if I can go get my flu shot at Walgreens. I made this appointment like 2 hours ago, so I wish they would have called me sooner, but you know what, whatever. And then I'm gonna go to the mall and exchange it, and this time I will take you guys to the mall with me because I'm going to buy another sweatsuit like that one, and it was only like, I want to say like $25.
Make a U-turn.
Don't tell me
and
what to
then
do. I'm
turn
already
left.
stressed out. Now I need to check to see if a UPS store is open. I got the pants. I ended up keeping the size I had because the medium was like huge. And then I bought my mom a matching set because I was on the phone with her earlier and she said she liked it. So, well, she said she wanted one. So now I need to check to see if the UPS store is open because I have things to return to Amazon and it is closed today. So I'm going to spend the rest of the day editing. I actually finished editing all the reels that I had to send to that company. They asked for a total of 3. I sent them 3. So I finished editing all of those for them. So now I just need to start uploading vlog footage and then just like start uploading them to YouTube so I can get on top of things. I missed 3 or 4 days last week. So I know I stopped on like days 8 and it's day 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh. Well, so I'm gonna upload 2 in one day. To try to catch up and like do the right thing, but I for sure am not gonna miss because now I'm only working 3 hours a day, so there's no excuse for me to not do 12 days of Christmas, period. So I will see you guys later, or this might be the end of the vlog.